Imagine standing in a prehistoric forest and hearing a roar so loud it could shake the ground beneath your feet. Which dinosaur made the loudest roar of them all? Scientists believe that dinosaurs like Parasaurolophus used giant crests on their heads to make deep booming sounds that could travel for miles. These calls weren't just for scaring predators. They may have been used to talk to each other, warn of danger, or even attract a mate. Some experts think the sound would have been as powerful as the horns of a modern stadium, echoing through the ancient world. If you were in the age of dinosaurs, would you be brave enough to hear that roar up close, or would you run the other way? Hit subscribe to join our dinosaur discovery zone and discover more incredible dinosaur facts every week.